Yiddish word passed away in Poland. And this is really difficult also for me because I love Yiddish and I want Yiddish be alive. I want Yiddish be spoken language in my country because this is where Yiddish was born, or maybe not born, but this is where Yiddish grew up. And the significance is really strong. The same is into language. We have plenty of words like szmonces, as it's a part of Polish culture, as well as Yiddish. It's equal. You can't really say that this word belongs only to this language and you can separate it from another languages. If this language is spoken among the others, then there is this cultural exchange, what is the most beautiful thing about everything. And the significance is really strong. It's really important. That's why it's so important to protect Yiddish in Poland.